This project is one of the three constructions that will make a great group right in the same area between the beach and the mountain. Each building is going to have a different shape. One is going to be like a cube, another like a cube on top of another, meaning a building of 9 floors, and the last one will just have 2 floors. It is located here in Venezuela in the coast of the Vargas state. It is quite a peculiar construction due to the fact that most of my client's requirements were far from the common. My client is the mayor of the city, and he asked me to design for him 3 constructions of different shapes, being the first one this project with a cube form or similar to it. All these constructions are going to be for the use of the town. Among other requirements were that there will be no windows, bathrooms, rooms, or stairs because people will be able to fly literally inside that building, and it is going to be a building that people will just cross. So it shouldn't be confusing, meaning that there should only be one way to go. But it could not be just hallways or bridges because people might get tired, so there had to be also places that they could stay and have a good view. These last places are the ones with a bigger area, 5 times 8 meters approximately. So basically the building will just be to cross it and view all the different spaces in it, plus have a great view of the ocean at the top. It is not going to be for anyone specifically talking. Another of the things that the mayor told me was that this construction must have natural light in most of the places, and it wouldn't matter if the rain came inside and got everything wet. Therefore, windows were not needed or the use of glass. Plus, there was no need of a strong structure either. All that mattered was that the building could stay standing with not too much effort. The structure is basically a huge wall that goes through all the floors, and it is the one that holds the roof. There will also be many walls around the building to help support it. This cube is located on the surface of the ocean near the beach, so I, the architect, had to build a floor plan in order for people to be able to walk on that plan and not get wet. I decided that the facades and walls of the buildings were going to be made of concrete, but it was going to look that they were made of brick because they will cover the concrete. So, the walls will be made of concrete but will be covered in brick, a thin layer just to make it look good, while the concrete will be the one doing all the work. And all of the floor plans are made of wood. So this is going to be a building that people will be crossing to see the different spaces, and they will be able to fly to go from one floor to another. The idea is for people to have something new and different to do at the beach. The advantage of this construction is that everybody can have a new sight of everything around them, the town, the mountain, and the beach.